Hello, here we are going to discuss about different hand exercises for conditions like arthritis, hand pain, etc. Then what are the benefits of completing these hand exercises? Arthritis can cause the joints of the hand and wrist to become painful, stiff and swollen. Over time, grip strength can weaken and sometimes joint deformity develop, making it more difficult to use the hand for day-to-day activities. These exercises can help to reduce pain, stiffness and swelling, improving joint flexibility and help to prevent the development of deformities. When should you do the exercises? You should aim to do the exercises every day, even when your hands are not painful or stiff. Try to do them at a regular interval to make them part of your daily routines. This way, you are more likely to remember to do them. If your hands are red, hot, swollen and more painful, you may be experiencing a flare-up. You should still do the exercises but reduce the number of repetitions and length of the hold. What should you do if the exercises make your hand more painful and stiff? It is common to experience mild aching following exercises. If you find this continues for more than 2 hours after completing the exercises, you should reduce the length of the hold and number of repetitions next time. If you continue to experience any problem, stop doing these exercises and contact your therapist. To start with, just do 1 repetition of each exercises, increasing 2 to 3 repetitions if this doesn't cause any discomfort. Each exercise should be done slowly, only bending and stretching as far as is comfortable. If an exercise causes you pain, reduce the range distance you move the joint by to a position that is comfortable for you. Then now come to exercises. Exercise 1. This can be performed daily or weekly. This exercise helps to strengthen the muscle that straighten your fingers. Active finger extensions. Place your hands and forearm body width apart, palms down on a table. Lift your thumb up of the table. Hold for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then relax. Repeat with your index, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. Middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. Ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. And little fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. Making sure that the fingers are not involved in the exercise, remain flat on the table. Exercise 2. It can be performed daily or weekly. This exercise helps to prevent the finger from moving sideways away from the thumb. Means ulnar deviation should be prevented by strengthening the muscles to keep your finger straight. First, place your hand and forearm body width apart, palm down on a table. Start with index finger. Lift finger up, move it sideways towards your thumb. Hold for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then repeat for middle fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for ring finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then little finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end of this exercise, lift your hand and forearm off the table and reposition if you are doing a second repetitions. Notes: do not walk the finger back way from the thumb, as this will strengthen the muscles causing the deformity. This exercise aims to prevent it. Exercise 3. Daily or weekly. This exercise helps to maintain the mobility of your thumb, means thumb oppositions. Place your hand and forearm body width apart, palms up on a table. Bring your thumb up towards the ceiling and hold for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move the tip of your thumb towards the base of your little finger and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then take your thumb back up towards the ceiling and hold for further 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then return to the starting position. Exercise 4. Daily or weekly. This exercise helps to maintain the movement in the joints of your hand and to help the tendons to move smoothly, finger flexion or extension and tendon gliding. First, rest your elbow on the table with wrist and fingers straight. Bend the top of two joints of your fingers and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then bend your knuckles down to bring your hand into a fist, holding for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeping your knuckles bent, straighten the end joints of your fingers and hold for further 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straighten your knuckles so that your fingers return to the starting position. Exercise 5. Daily or weekly. This exercise aims to help maintain the mobility of the thumb and ability to grip between the thumb and fingers or positions. First, rest your elbow on the table with your hands in the air. Make an O shape by touching your thumb and index finger, making sure that you are bending at all the joints of your thumb and finger, and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat with each finger on both hands. And 6. Daily or weekly. This exercise helps to maintain range of movement and strength of your wrist, active wrist flexion and extension. First, place your forearm on the table or on a block over the table so that your hand is palm down over the edge. Bend your wrist back so that your finger point towards the ceiling and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next, bend your wrist down so that your finger point downwards and hold for further 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exercise 7. Daily or weekly. This exercise helps to maintain the space between your fingers and strengthen the muscle in your hand. Finger abduction, adduction. Stretch your finger out so that they separate to create a space between all of your fingers. Position your hands so that your fingers interlock with each other and clasp together, holding for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release. Exercise 8. Daily or weekly. This exercise helps to prevent stiffness at the joint involved in turning your forearm, pronation and supinations. First, place your hands and forearms body width apart, palms down on a table, keeping your elbows tucked into your side. Then roll your hands outwards without moving your elbow or shoulders so that your thumbs move up to the ceiling, then back downwards towards the table and your palm face upwards. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then roll hands back to the starting positions. Exercise 9. Daily or weekly. This exercise helps to maintain the ability to straighten the fingers. Passive finger extension. Place one hand and forearm flat on the table, palms down with your wrist and finger straight. Put your other hand palm down over the back of your hand on the table and gently press down to help push the fingers flat against the table, holding for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This procedure should be repeated on the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for watching.